Hi love, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be the continuation of how to crisscross braid design. So I will be doing this remaining two designs. If you want to see how to make this crisscross and the next one close to it, the video will be linked in this in the description bar of this one. So to make the snake pattern, okay, it doesn't matter like the size of the section or how long you want it to be. You can make it from the beginning of your braids all the way to the nape of your neck or in any direction that you want, but you're going to section off that section into smaller pieces like this and face them in alternating sides. So if the first one is laying towards you, the second one will be laying away from you, the third one towards you, the fourth one away from you, just like that, all the way to the end of where you want the design to start. Now the size of the smaller pieces, like how long, let's say I parted mine into, like the ones you can see, let's say I parted them into five. If I were to make this into seven, it's going to give me like a more wiggly wriggly type of snake. And if I want it to be more spaced out, you will have less of these parts. So I would use maybe like four instead of six. It would stretch out the snake design, and if you have it closer, it will make the curves more frequent. I hope you understand what I mean. So you're just going to keep wriggling your way like this. If you braid the one facing you, you braid the section facing away from you. So there is a right way to like move into the next one. Once you braid to the end, try to get all the way to the edge. Like, don't be in a hurry to cross over and bend your hand into the next part. Braid it all the way to the end of that particular section before you reverse. Don't be in a hurry to just turn around. It's going to, anyway, it gives a different look, and your snake is, the snake pattern is not going to be like very curvy. It's going to almost look straight. If that's the look you're going for, that's fine. Then for this other braid design, I sincerely don't know the name, and I learned it on YouTube. But for this one, you're going to make small sections. I think it looks better off if those sections are slightly slanted. So you will make small sections, smaller than the snake pattern sections. And then if you make one, braid it all the way, you make the second one and braid it all the way too. Then you make the third one. Before you start braiding it, you add the first one. So you skip one braid and add the tail of the last two braids is added to the braid you want to make. You're going to see it in the video. It is easy to understand. So guys, please do not skip my ads. That is the way I can make money from this video. Remember to share with anyone who might be interested. Let's keep watching.
Siento como si estuviera en Quando te miro